Morning, everyone. Welcome to Ainsley News. Crypto Tuesday. What's on the horizon for crypto? Bitcoin markets have seen another week of low volatility and price consolidation, trading up from $37,680 towards that high range of around the $42,000 mark over the weekend. As prices trade within this narrow range, the odds of high volatility in the near term continue to build. In a nutshell, we're seeing the following factors driving the crypto market at the moment. First point, current buy-side demand appears to be dominated by US and EU markets, with the majority of sell-side sources during Asian trading hours. The amount of BTC supply absorbed by the current drawdown is similar in magnitude to the period after March 2020 sell-off. However, it remains modest at best and is key metrics to keep an eye on in the coming weeks. Derivatives markets are currently pricing in historically low implied volatility and future premiums. Such market structure has historically preceded periods of very high volatility and most often to the upside. The range-bound price action is also correlated with on-chain recovery. Useful tool set for tracking Bitcoin demand is the analysis of on-chain activity, ranging from the active addresses, new on-chain entities, transaction counts, and transfer volumes. Typically, we see these style activity metrics collapse during early bear markets and begin to signal recovery as smart money demand increases at depressed prices. We can see the accelerated growth rate in new on-chain entities, as in bull, followed by a heavily collapse at the start of a bear. These two are shown in charts today via ainsleyBullion.com.au in our news section, if you want to check them out. Bear markets are characterized by a fairly persistent grind higher in new entities entering the Bitcoin network. Current rate of 110,000 new on-chain entities per day is similar to the peak of the 2019 mini bull and is on a modest upwards trajectory. One piece of data that's not captured by the analysis of active addresses and entities and transaction counts is the economic weight of these network users, where the general characteristics of the metrics we've just talked about are similar to the 2019 to 2020 bear market recovery. Transaction volumes and volume settlements are notably different. The 2017 bull market top was followed by a near complete destruction of the new transaction volume that pushed prices to the cycle all-time high of $20,000. Through 2018 and 19, daily settlement volume languished around the $1.5 billion a day, a level first established in July 2017. Large-sized transactions, or greater than $1 million in value, represented between 10 and 30% of all volume at this time. In the 2021 to 2022 bear market, however, total daily value settlement has continued to trend higher, as measured at the lows of both 50% drawdowns. Large-size transactions also now represent a sustained 65 to 70% dominance. Current drawdown has been in play for 132 days since the November all-time high, and the tail of our 155-day threshold used to define long-term holder status is approaching the October price high. As such, we can make a broad assertion that long-term holders own coins before the market high, and short-term holders own coins purchased during or after the market top. With this in mind, we can see that long-term holder supply holdings have stagnated since the October peak. This suggests that the volume of coins maturing into long-term holder status is being met by equal spending pressure by this cohort. The Bitcoin market has now been in a drawdown from November all-time highs for 132 days, and prices have consolidated inside the present trading range for over 2 months. This has led to a compression of yields available from cash and carry trades in future markets and lower implied volatility in options markets. The market spring appears to be coiled, and a period of high volatility just over the horizon seems increasingly likely. Great insight here. And just a reminder, if you do want to check out all these great charts, jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au and click on our news section, and then jump on that crypto news for today, and you'll be able to have some greater insight there. If you are looking to buy, sell, or trade today, just jump over to ainsleywealth.com.au and you can check out today's prices. You can also see what it's like to exchange into other items. You can see what it's like to change from crypto to bullion and get a relative indication of what you're going to get. If you're after the physical stuff still, jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au, and if you want to check out our own crypto built and backed by Ainsley, pegged to the real price of bullion, jump over to goldsilverstandard.com. You can also buy 24/7 over at CoinSpot. Enjoy your Tuesday, everyone. We'll catch you tomorrow for more news.